Clearing the cache in your web browser can be beneficial for several reasons. 1. Performance improvement. Over time, the cache accumulates a lot of temporary files and data from websites you visit. Clearing the cache can help improve the browser's speed and responsiveness by removing unnecessary data. 2. Privacy. Cached files can sometimes include sensitive information like cookies, which can be used to track your online activity. Clearing the cache can help protect your privacy by removing these traces. 3. Display issues. Sometimes, cached files can cause display problems on websites. Clearing the cache can resolve issues like missing images, broken layouts, or outdated content. 4. Security. Outdated cached data can potentially pose a security risk, as it might contain vulnerabilities that could be exploited. Clearing the cache ensures you have the latest, more secure versions of web pages. With that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at how to do this in the Safari web browser on your Mac computer. 1. Open Safari. Launch the Safari browser on your Mac. You can usually find it in your Applications folder or the dock. 2. Access the Safari settings. If you are using Safari 14 or later, click on Safari in the menu bar at the top left corner of the screen. If you are using Safari 13 or earlier, click on Safari in the top menu bar next to the Apple logo. 3. Open Settings. For Safari 14 or later, select Settings from the drop-down menu. For Safari 13 or earlier, select Preferences from the Safari menu. 4. Go to the Privacy tab. In the Settings window, click on the Privacy tab. 5. Manage Website Data. For Safari 14 or later, click on the Manage Website Data button. For Safari 13 or earlier, click on the Manage Website Data button in the Cookies and Website Data section. 6. Remove cached data. This will open a new window showing a list of websites and the data stored for each. You can either click Remove All to clear all cached data. Select individual websites and click Remove for specific data. 7. Confirm. When prompted, click Remove Now to confirm the deletion of cached data. 8. Close Preferences. Close the Preferences window. 9. Restart Safari. Quit and reopen Safari to ensure the changes take effect. If you found value in this video, we would appreciate it if you wouldn't mind giving a like, subscribe for more content just like this, and sharing it with your friends. Have an awesome day.